model. This one, coloring. One. Mm. This is black. And this is yellow. Golden yellow. And I mix this one. It is a lubricant, I think it's so. Then I have this one and this one. The mixing bowl. So I mix this one. Coloring here. So it's Trasca. It's in the Trasca. Then the moisturizing. Moisturizing. You can any brush. You can buy this one in salon or any shop. Yeah. Then any shop. Or you can use toothbrush for making like that. And this one black. Black. So it's not more it's not so darker yellow, crystal yellow, golden yellow. So it's not that more than. Okay, we're gonna mix all of that mix. Like if you cook like the same as a cooking condition, the lubricant. So equalize the coloring. Okay. Put in the pan all of this one. This one. I sell that in my store. So if you want to 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 buy, go in my store. This one. Go in my store. Go in my store. Then mix this one. It's a mix. If you put that, it's become dark. If you put here yellow, it is the product of this one. Yeah, this one. This is the product of this one. I mix this one. That is the product. Okay, bye. I mix this one. It's raining here. This coming is schooling day. Okay, bye. It's more than 4 minutes and 29 seconds.